Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to be playing River in the Bank. So how you play this game is, just say if somebody said river, you would have to step in the carpet. But just say if somebody said bank, you have to step off the carpet. And we're going to keep adding stuff. And if it's something that could hurt you, you got to step out. You can't be in the water. But if it's something that doesn't harm you at all, you step in. And whoever wins, they get a prize. Whoever loses, they get some consequences. So let's get started.
Okay, everybody ready? Here we go. River. Bank. River. Bank. Bank. River. Bank. River. River. Bank. River. Crab. River. Yeah, I think you lost that round.
Me?
Yeah, because I said crab. And you supposed to jump
Okay,
down.
so guys, he won 1 point, and we did 3 rounds.
Round 2. River. Bank. River. Bank. River. Bank. Bank. River. Bank. Catfish. Bank. You're out of here.
Won at that point. And
It's tied. Let's see who's gonna win. River. River. Bank. River. Bank. Seaweed. Bank. River. Bank. River. Bank. Bank. River. Bank. Fish. Bank. Bank. River. Bank. River. Bank. Bank. Grace is So the consequence is you have to drink some seasoned water. Okay, go get the water, Grace.
okay. Fix this water up. Okay, guys, so we got this water, and as you can see, if you look very closely, you can see pepper in it. So our
Can you show it
season.
to us?
So our seasons of choice was pepper and salt. Really usual, so here you go. No.
Come on, drink, 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 drink. Come back this way. Give Lay some.
Okay. You'll never back again. Look at her Okay, that's enough.